Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iriel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You're gonna love it here with this makeup look. And if you're a returning, sorry, I cannot even speak today. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and watching my videos. And I just want to say we're gonna get into this like tropical. This is really giving me like a tropical look. I tried something different with a pink glossy lip. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, I'm gonna start off by priming my face. I'm gonna be using the Hydro Boost Neutrogena moisturizer. Y'all already know I love this stuff. It is very hydrating. Next, I'm gonna be taking the NYX Angel Veil. Okay, then I'm going to set my face with the Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade D. Okay, now I'm about to go ahead and fill in my brows. I'm going to be using a Morphe Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate Mousse. Okay, and I'm going to clean up my brows with the LA Girl Pro Concealers in the shade Toffee and Beautiful Bronze. Now I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with the L'Oreal Full Wear Infallible Concealer in the shade 320 Porcelain. Y'all, this is a very full coverage concealer. I'm actually thinking about picking up some in my highlight and contour shade because this is really full coverage. Like, okay, today, actually, I'm going to be setting with the Airspun product. I was going to jump right into eyeshadows. What am I thinking? We're going to be setting with the Airspun powder. Okay, and now we're going to be going in with the Juvia's Place ZULU palette. I'm thinking about doing like a tropical look. Okay, we're gonna go in with this brown shade right here. I don't know the name of these shades, but this is the most popular brown. I feel like every makeup girl uses this. So I'm gonna take that in my crease. And remember, placement is everything, y'all. When I first started makeup, I used to put eyeshadow all over the eye and then thought you could go back in the crease. If you're putting eyeshadow where you know you don't really want it, don't put it there because it's going to be hard to really blend out later. Then I'm going to take orange shade and put that in my crease, like transition down. And when you're doing eyeshadows, there is a lot of back and forth just to make sure your shadows is blended. We're only gonna be using 2 colors, y'all. I'm telling y'all, with makeup, with your eyes, you do not have to be using all them colors. I used to watch the makeup videos back in the day, like 2015, 2016, the makeup videos. And I know the girls was telling y'all to use this color. Not finna go in with this color. Not finna go, baby, 2 colors, put your lid shade on, and you out the door. We do not need all that. Do not be doing all of that. You're just creating yourself more time. Now, I'm gonna go in with this as my lid shade. I don't know the names, but this color right here. And yes, I did swatch it. I'm loving the way it looks. And I feel like that's gonna give me that tropical look that I'm looking for. Now I'm gonna take my concealer and clean up that liner, y'all. Okay, and I'm gonna set that liner with a black eyeshadow just so it can last all day. Okay, and I'll be back with the other eye off camera. Okay, so the eyes are done. This eyeliner was giving me a little bit of trouble, but we're gonna see. So now we're gonna prep for face. I actually love this combo of foundation with the Huda Beauty foundation. Make sure Huda Beauty foundation and the Chanel. So I'm gonna do this combo again and mix these two. Now I'm taking my Morphe setting spray just to set my face. Now I'm going to be going in with the 2 concealers. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shade Tape concealers in the shade Deep and Medium Tan Golden. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour with the Juvia's I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 4. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Dermablend setting powder. Okay, now I'm going to be taking the Juvia's Place Bronze Duo in the shade Dark, and I'm going to be mixing these two shades to set my contour. Okay, and now I'm going to set even more underneath my eye with the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the shade 310 Sun Beige. I'm going to use that to dust away any powder. I actually almost forgot to clean up my contour, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, and now I'm gonna take the Maybelline 360 setting powder. Take this Morphe setting spray and go ahead and get all those powders together. While that is setting, I'm actually going to go in with my LA Girl black eyeliner. Now what I'm going to do is go in with the ZULU palette, and I'm going to go in with that brown shade. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply blush. I'm actually going to use the Juvia's Place Volume 1, and I'm going to actually use that orange shade. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply lashes. I'm going to be using the same lashes I used in my last video that I made. Do y'all know that y'all can reuse y'all lashes, like even from the hair store? I do not throw my lashes away unless they're just completely done, but I will reduce, reuse, recycle. Like, I keep reusing my lashes. I don't throw them away. You can reuse them. These are supposed to be real 3D minks. You can even wash them to get the old glue off. Like, you can wear them multiple times. Now, there is some like hair store lashes or probably lashes you get from the store that you can tell is like really not real hair, or it's like plastic and stuff like that. Like, of course you can throw that away, but your real lashes, your 25 mm's, your mink lashes, sorry, you can rewear them multiple times, so don't throw them away. Okay, now I'm taking the NYX Lingerie lipstick. This is in the shade Pushed Up. I'm going to be taking my NYX liquid lip gloss. My NYX, not NYX, this is NK.
First generation millionaire. I broke the curse in my family not having it. I'm passionate like girls that's after more than just cash and dick.
Alright guys, so this is the final makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this. I just want to say thank you all for the support, the love and support. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, you guys, and I can keep putting out more content for you. And without further ado, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.